In 1913, million people lived under the control of the British Empire, 23% of the world population at that time. It remains the largest empire in human history and at the peak of its power in 1920. It covered an astonishing million square miles that close a quarter of the world land area. At its height, it was described as the empire on which the sun never set, but across the sun finally did set it on it. Today, Britannia no longer the biggest empire in human history scattered across the world, such as the Falkland, Iceland, and Gibraltar. Mong and the Mongol Empire existed during the 13th and 14th century, and it is recognized as being the largest contiguous land empire in history. It, of course, originated in Mongolia and once stretched from Eastern Europe to the Sea of Japan, extended into the Indian subcontinent and the Middle East, covering 9.27 million square miles. The Russian Empire comes third on the list with a peak land area of 8.8 million square miles. The data of the infographic was published. The biggest empire in human and 100 British Empire, Mongol Empire, Russian Empire, King Empire, Spanish Empire, French Colonial Empire, Abbasid Khalifa, Umayyad Khalifa. Opinion plan compulsory educated the biggest empire. This chart shows you all detail and the biggest empire in human history, the longest history, and in the working of empire. The pendulum were the lowest empire government and the top 10 all time. British Empire 16th to 20th century, Mongol Empire, and that full detail all video and describe the ancient under Roman rule for more than 1000 years, even as other parts of the Roman Empire collapsed. Was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire. It moved from Rome in 4 to 5 century of the Common Era. 10 most and 100 the 20 largest empire existed in history. In this video, all the detail which were the largest empire ever existed in history. The long and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Which empire was the richest? Was the Ottoman Empire stronger than the Persian Empire? And full detail how many empire lasted 1000 years. All questions solved in this video. You can check and all detail describe you for the detail, and this is the greatest video for you. And kindly subscribe for more data comparison video chart the biggest empire in human